Hello everyone, these are engine oil bottles produced by Qimig Packaging. They have a variety of capacities and sizes. There are 250 milliliters and 750 milliliters. The latter are 1 liters. Different capacities have different designs. You can see that this part has a scale and a liquid level window. You can see how much liquid is left in it. A variety of colors can be selected. Support customized shapes and colors. These plastic bottles can be used to hold engine oil and antifreeze, and so on. The raw material is high-density PE material, very strong and durable, with a long service life, free samples, and support customization. The MOQ of different sizes, the larger the capacity, the lower the MOQ, high quality, free samples. We also produce 4L, 5L, 10L, 20L and other sizes. Welcome to send us an inquiry. We will provide you with high-quality goods, reasonable prices, and high-quality services.